Sa sandaling maaprubahan na ng Kongreso ang isinulong na amnestiya para sa mga sundalo at opisyal na militar na nag-akla sa nagdaang Arroyo administration, ilulutang na rin ng Defense Department ang mga pangalan ng panel sa binuong Amnesty Committee ng DND at AFP, ayon kay DND spokesman Ed Batak.
The part of the proclamation is that the Department of National Defense will handle the application and processing of these applications for amnesty. And for this purpose, the department has already initiated measures in order to implement the amnesty. And first of this is the creation of an amnesty committee.
Isinasaad sa Amnesty Proclamation ay across the board ayon kay Batak, subalit kinakailangan pa rin ng mga sundalo ang mag-apply at ito naman ay re-repasuhin ng binuo nilang board upang madesisyonan kung sino ang makakabalik pa sa serbisyo.
Because part of what will be determined is the entitlement of the benefits that will be deemed accruable to these people who are entitled to the benefits that will come from this amnesty, if and when they are separated. Of course, you know by now that the officers who were involved in this siege will not be entitled to reinstatement or reintegration. Only enlisted personnel will be processed for possible reintegration and reinstatement.
Si DND spokesman Ed Batak, RH 911, Bing Formento ng DCRH Nationwide.